I'm Anthony Contrino. Today we are at Settepani Bakery and Restaurant here in Harlem. I'm going to be whipping up a really delicious dessert with my friend Bilena. Let's get started. Not only is she the pastry chef, but she leads the family's bakery's marketing, e-commerce, and dessert innovation, putting her own spin on Italian-American classics such as the rainbow cookie panettone and keeping things traditional with her Sicilian cassata. And here she is. Hey, Bilena.
Buongiorno, bellissimi.
Ah, her famous tagline. Good, thank you for letting us take over your family's restaurant. We are gonna make one bowl chocolate cupcakes.
And I'm so excited. I'm a sucker for anything chocolate, so.
We are going to be cooking with some dairy today. So most people don't realize how important dairy is in cooking, especially baking. And do you know what milk does to a baked good?
It gives it that perfect moisture.
Moisture. Why do people hate that word?
I have no idea. I mean, I like a nice moist cake.
Moist. We're gonna see how many times we can
Moist,
say
moist,
moist. Can we
moist.
get like a little moist counter on the bottom of the screen?
Ding, ding.
We're gonna do a method called reverse creaming, which goes against everything you're ever told when you're baking. Our dry ingredients are going to be the base for when we add our moist
Ingredients.
I'm never gonna call them wet ingredients again. So, do you want to get started on our
Yes.
dry? We have some
here we have some flour.
Yep.
We have some cocoa powder.
Yep.
I can just put everything
Everything
in here.
goes in, yeah. Then we have a couple of sugars.
Some brown sugar.
Light brown sugar. Then just some regular granulated sugar. And then there's some baking soda, baking powder, and some sale. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get working on our moist ingredients. So I have some milk in here. And not only is the milk going to add moisture, it's also gonna help create a tender crumb. To that, I'm gonna add just an egg, a little bit of oil, which is also gonna help with moisture.
I'm putting in the rest of the dry
Yes.
ingredients.
Some vanilla extract, because who doesn't put vanilla in everything? I'm gonna drizzle this in while you whisk. So it's almost like a paste at this point. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start adding some hot coffee. And this is really gonna thin out the batter. So you'll see it's starting to thin out quite significantly, which is what we want. I'm gonna do some housekeeping. Housekeeping. Perfetto.
Perfetto.
So you can scoop this into your muffin tin, but we're pastry chefs. So we're gonna use the piping bag.
I love a piping bag.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
There we go.
You want to fill these about 2/3 of the way. Being that you cook a lot of Italian-American specialties, I assume you use a lot of cheese in your baking.
Of course.
What's your favorite?
Ricotta.
Ricotta cheese. We love a ricotta moment.
Oh,
We're gonna throw this
Delicia.
in the oven, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna frost it with some fudgy chocolate icing.
ooh.
I'm gonna clean my hands.
I'll go put these in the oven.
Okay.
Okay. Ciao.
We'll be back. So here are our cupcakes.
Amazing.
They're nice and cool.
How do you want to frost them? Like a nice
I
little...
just usually do like a nice little rosette, but whatever like floats your boat.
Do you want some sprinkles or something?
Sprinkles? Okay. I'm not gonna say no to sprinkles.
I love sprinkles. Here, you do some more.
Okay.
And I'm
Well,
gonna get some
now I have to
sprinkles.
like make sure they look as good as those.
They don't have to look that good.
You can use whatever frosting you want, but you can go to gotchefeats.com to get the full recipe for my chocolate ganache.
So I don't have sprinkles. I can get them next door.
No, it's fine.
I have a chocolate drizzle we could use on top.
Should we get sprinkles? Or no?
What? They're a pop of color. I'm gonna go get them.
Okay.
I'll be back. Sprinkles. I have secured the goods.
And
I'm
she's-
back.
Rainbow?
Rainbow sprinkles.
Can you go get chocolate?
Are you kidding me? You don't know what I just did to get these sprinkles.
OCD problems.
Ready?
Make it pretty.
Make it pretty.
All right. Let's Sprinkles were a good idea.
Right? Just adds a pop of color. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba.
We did it.
Bellissime.
I think there's only one thing left.
Is it time?
To
Is it
taste a moist cupcake.
I love it.
Okay, so how do you eat a cupcake?
So you take it. Is this like a test?
No, I'm just curious because I do something that
So I do this. I take it out
I think
of
you
the
do what I
packaging.
do.
Uh-oh. We're soulmates. And then I break it in half.
I feel like it's one of those like trendy TikTok-y things that I normally despise.
No, but it's
But
amazing.
this is genius.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
It's good. If you had to describe it in one word, what would it be?
Moist.
Moist. For the full recipe, go to gotchefeats.com.
We'll see you there. Ciao.
Ciao.
That was good.